Hi, thanks for expressing interest in the WooCommerce-NetSuite Integration App. Nova module has a pre-built solution for you. We utilize our technology partner Celigo's proprietary platform Integrator.io to build our integration products on top of and expand on the needs that come about in regards to integrations. Some of the popular integrations that are pre-built include WooCommerce, ShipStation, Magento, Stripe, and so forth. So let's talk about the functionality between WooCommerce and NetSuite. With this integration, we'll go over the export of sales orders from WooCommerce to NetSuite, bringing in customer data from WooCommerce to NetSuite, pushing fulfillment data back up to WooCommerce post-fulfillment, syncing inventory levels, as well as syncing product data between the two systems. Let's take a look at the platform. Once the license for the integration is provisioned, you'll see here on your Integrator.io home dashboard, the WooCommerce product tile will appear. From this screen, you're able to navigate to your WooCommerce to NetSuite integration system settings. To start off, we have the order integration flow. Via this particular flow, you're able to sync orders after capture in WooCommerce into NetSuite, where we will create a sales order in a pending fulfillment status. You queue your fulfillment process, and after you create your item fulfillment record and generate tracking information, back in the integration, the fulfillment data flow will push that information back up to WooCommerce, changing the status of that order from processing to completed. It'll also input relevant tracking detail and carrier information. After fulfillment takes place, your NetSuite billing process will kick in. You have the option to either create a cash sale or create an invoice, and this is something that the integration will do for you. You are able to run these flows simultaneously. It just depends on your particular workflow. The integration also supports inventory syncing. So what this means is we'll look at your inventory levels on the item record in NetSuite and push that through to your WooCommerce item record to update your stock quantity accordingly. The next flow we have in sync here is the product flow. So this will sync your items between WooCommerce and NetSuite. So when you've created an item in NetSuite, we'll push that through over to WooCommerce to update and maintain your product catalog. The last of the main flows is customers. We can sync your customer data from NetSuite to WooCommerce or from WooCommerce to NetSuite. So upon customer creation, we'll sync that through into NetSuite, so that way those records are maintained between those two systems. All of these data flows run on a batch frequency and are able to be scheduled within the settings here within Integrator.io, whether it's using a preset once daily, a few times a day, depends on your particular use case, or you can get a bit more detailed with it and use the cron expression setting. And then from here, you're able to schedule it at the most frequently every 5 minutes. All data flows are able to be monitored via the dashboard, and you're able to see the status of that particular integration to see its success or if any errors had popped up. From there, you're able to further manage. That covers the overall functionality of the Integrator.io platform, as well as the functionality of the WooCommerce to NetSuite integration.